Section 3, Configuration Management with Chef. In this video, we would learn how to configure nodes using Chef Run utility. This utility is a new addition to Chef Workstation when compared to Chef DK. This utility helps us execute ad hoc commands, a single resource, a recipe, or an entire cookbook on one or more target nodes from the command line itself. So let's see how do we do this. I have a set of cookbook which I will run on the target node using Chef Run utility. But first, let's start with an ad hoc command run. So Chef Run command is used. I would specify the web server name and I'll give the package name which I want to install on the remote server. The package name is NTP and I will specify the action as install and I will also specify the credentials to connect to the server. With this execution, my Chef Workstation would connect via SSH to Web01 and install the package of NTP. There is no infra server in between and there is no installation of Chef client on the target node. So NTP package has been installed on the target node. So this is the way to run ad hoc commands. Let me show you how you can run a cookbook on the server. So I would start with Chef Run and I would give the target node and I would specify the cookbook name or the recipe name as well. So here I am specifying the default recipe name. I would give the credentials for the server using which we can connect to it via SSH. So here the default recipe is getting executed. So here it has installed a web server. I can pick up the IP address for that particular server and verify. So let me check for the IP address of that particular server and open in the web console. Yes, the web server is up and running, giving the message of hello packed publishing. Let us see how to handle multiple target nodes when we want to execute a set of recipe or a cookbook on a set of target nodes. For this, we would provide the name of the server in a range. Like, I want to execute Nginx cookbook on Web02 and Web03 both. So I can specify a range, and in this case, I want to run the recipe on Web02 and Web03. In case you want to execute the recipe on 10 servers, 1:10 would be specified, but the name of the server should be Web01 to Web10. So it would execute this recipe on both the servers, and I'm giving the cookbook name, the entire cookbook. So how many ever recipes are there in the cookbook, that would be executed. So here it is connecting to the server and installing Nginx. It will start the service of Nginx and update a customized web page for both the servers. So the Chef Run is executed. Let me pick up the IP address of web server Web02 and check if the server is serving the web page. Yes, the server is up and running. So in this way, we can execute multiple recipes or an entire cookbook on a set of target nodes or on a specific node as well. So this is the way we do the Chef Run. And in this, Chef Infra client is not there in between. That is one of the biggest advantage. There is no Chef client installation on the remote node as well. But you can still execute ad hoc command, a recipe or an entire cookbook on the remote server. And you can configure multiple nodes as well in one go. In the next video, we would learn how to use roles to configure a set of nodes using the Chef. So see you then. As well, but you can still execute ad hoc command, a recipe or an entire cookbook on the remote server. And you can configure multiple nodes as well in one go. In the next video, we would learn how to use roles to configure a set of nodes using the Chef. So see you then. As well, but you can still execute ad hoc command, a recipe or an entire cookbook on the remote server. And you can configure multiple nodes as well in one go. In the next video, we would learn how to use roles to configure a set of nodes using the Chef. So see you then. As well, but you can still execute ad hoc command, a recipe or an entire cookbook on the remote server. And you can configure multiple nodes as well in one go. In the next video, we would learn how to use roles to configure a set of nodes using the Chef. So see you then. As well, but you can still execute ad hoc command or recipe